welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am back with another video that explains what essentials that you need for your lip gloss business. If you're considering starting a lip gloss business and you do not know what exactly you should be getting for your lip gloss business, then this video is for you. The first and foremost, we do know that you need lip gloss base to actually make the lip gloss. This is the hero of all lip gloss making, because you cannot make any lip gloss if you do not have the base. So I have shared a previous video where you can get in South Africa lip gloss base, or for that matter lip gloss business essentials. So I'll just insert it in the card above so that you can click and go to that video if you have not yet watched it. The second thing, you need lip gloss tubes. That's obvious. You can't make lip gloss if you do not have containers to actually put your lip gloss in. Area oils that you use, lip gloss base is very thick and sticky, so you make the consistency thinner using oils, so you need to use specific carrier oils for that. So there is your fractionated coconut oil, you can use grapeseed, you can use jojoba oil, whatever that most you all know that each and every oil has its benefits. Whatever you incorporate on your lip gloss, you do know that it's going to add those benefits in your lip. There are different types of lip gloss base, and you need, before you purchase any lip gloss base, do your own homework so that you understand which carrier oils work best with which lip gloss base. And you also have flavoring oils. Flavoring oils, they vary. Before you buy a flavoring oil, you need to actually read the description. Is it safe to use for lip products, or is it just for food purposes and all of that, so that you do not take something that's meant for something else and use it on lips, on products that people are going to apply on their lips, and next thing people will be getting allergies and reactions from your products. With the other oils are antioxidants like your vitamin E. From there, because you understand the oils, what are they for, and the flavoring oils are just there to add a specific scent to your lip gloss. Number 4, there is pigments that you need. There is clear lip gloss, which doesn't need pigment, but there are colors that we incorporate in lip gloss making. So you can use micas, you can liquid pigments, you can also use oxides, you can also use lake dyes. Micas, they add that shimmer. Oxides, they add depth, and they also add, you can be able to play around with achieving different colors and tones to your lip gloss, like warm tones, cool tones, or neutral tones, and all of that. Lake dyes FDA approved. You can use them to actually on cosmetics specific. So I'm not going to go in depth, that's a video for another day. The 5th point is that you need syringes. Syringes, you're going to use them with pipette, be able to put your lip gloss in and transfer it into lip gloss tubes. And make sure that, guys, whenever you are transferring your lip gloss, you always leave space in the container, maybe 1 inch, 1 centimeter or so, because the minute you close it and put in that thing that you use to apply the lip gloss on your lips, it's going to rise and pop up. So the minute the bottle is full, it's going to spill. So always leave space so that it doesn't spill the minute you put in the top. You need gloves, you need a mask, you need an apron, you definitely need a sanitizer so that you can disinfect everything that you're going to use. Preferably, I also think you can use disposable containers so that you don't have to reuse them, because the stress of actually washing things, residual is very thick and it doesn't get out easily on containers and all of that. Rather, you use disposable things so that you can just throw them away. You do need a surface cleaner. You need a surface protector. You can use those big papers to actually make sure that the surface that you're working on is clean and it's also protected. You can use table liners. You need measuring spoons, mixing rod, or you can use a disposable plastic spoon, but one that is very steady, because vesicle is thick. The minute you start mixing, if that spoon is of not good quality, it's going to actually break. You need mixing containers, preferably disposable ones, as I have explained. You need a disinfectant. If you have bowls, whereby when you're done mixing in the disposable container, you can transfer it into sterilized bowls. You need like a big pot that you can use to actually do the sterilizing process for things that you cannot dispose. You need to disinfect them after every use. Whatever you're doing, it's something that people are going to use. Then they use it on their body. They're bound to actually react. You need to take all precautions that are necessary. Paper towels to wipe your hands. You need hand wash. Everything that you need to actually, those are just essentials. It's things that you cannot do without. You have to have them. As I normally say and preach, start small. Do not start on a big scale, because if you start on a big scale, you might not make sales. Then you're going to go into depression because you are not making any sales, and there's this huge inventory that you have and you could not sell in time. And it's very much important that when you do start a business, make sure that you have a marketing strategy that is going to be able to assist you in marketing, in getting sales, getting your brand to reach people that will be interested in your brand. But if you do need any tips and have any questions, you can ask me. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope to see you on my next video. With love from me, I'm out.